How to install wet wall panels for your bathroom. First of all, you will need wet wall panels, trims, silicone adhesive, tools for measuring and tools for cutting. Jigsaws, table saws and multi-tools are all suitable, or you can use whatever tools you have. Start by measuring your wall from floor to cornice, or whatever height you require for the panels. Use this measurement to mark and cut the internal trim using your cutting tool of choice. Fix the internal trim into the corner using eye-stick adhesive, or drill and screw 12mm countersunk screws at regular intervals towards the edge of the trim. Remeasure the height required from floor to where the panels will finish. Then trim the panels to the desired height. Where a panel meets a corner, it is recommended to use an internal trim. This removes the need for a silicone bead, which tends to attract mould. The tongue or groove must be removed from the panel edge so it sits flush with the internal trim. Cut the panel using your preferred cutting tool. Apply adhesive in snaked vertical lines. Panels can be installed directly over tile or any other waterproof surface, such as fibre cement sheets or brickwork. Fill the internal trim with sealant and slide the panel into place. Measure the distance from the inside of the trim to the centre of the shower head and tapware. Note there is a 17mm void behind the trim, so do not measure from the wall. Fix the pre-cut panel onto the wall and press firmly across the surface to ensure adhesive is evenly spread. Using the tongue and groove, slide the panels into each other and repeat the process around your room. We hope that this demonstration was useful and shows how easy our lightweight wet wall panels can be fixed to your wall. Remember, all items are available for speedy delivery online at mrwetwall.com.